At our house, we have a big problem, and that problem is weeds. And I've tried a bunch of different weed killers before. I don't really prefer to use them because we have a young child at home. I wanted to find something that was more effective, cheaper, and going to be healthier for both my children, myself, and for the environment. So today I'm going to try out one of these homemade weed killer solutions. I've never done it before, so this is an honest experiment. I want to see whether it works or not. And I'm going to show you guys the exact process, the ingredients that I used, and then finally the results to see if it really works. So let's go ahead and jump into it and let's get started. So these are our three ingredients. We just have some dish soap, some cleaning vinegar, and then some table salt. And in total, this was just a couple dollars from Walmart. So this is the ratio that I've seen others use before. Half teaspoon of dish soap, 2 tablespoons of salt, and then 2 cups of vinegar. And we're gonna mix that all up in our weed sprayer. So this is the sprayer that I'm gonna be using. I actually don't know how much 2 cups is, and I don't really want to put a cleaning product in something that I eat out of. So what I'm gonna do is pour 2 cups of water into a measuring cup, put it on here, mark it, and then we'll just fill the vinegar to that line. So that should make this nice and easy. All right, so that looks like that is about 2 cups. Next, we're gonna put a half teaspoon of dish soap. I'm just gonna eyeball this. All right, so we've got this all in there, and we'll just go ahead and mix it together. All right, so after you mix it, it's gonna be pretty soapy in the bottom, so you probably just wanna give it a few minutes to kind of settle down, and then you can actually go ahead and apply it to the weeds. After about 5 minutes, it's already starting to lose its color. This is about an hour later. You can see the sun has shifted a little bit, so these actually aren't in the sun anymore, but it is a pretty significant difference before and after. Now, interestingly enough, the ones in the shade here seem to also be deteriorating, but I think they fared a little bit better so far. Crabgrass seems to be doing the best after, but we'll see how it looks tomorrow. This is after about 5 hours. So you can clearly see the ones that I did use the spray on and the ones that I didn't. I think these ones are done. I would say this works. So it's been a few days since I first applied the weed killer, and these are the results. I would say that overall it was really effective on the cracks in the sidewalk, the cracks in the driveway. It took care of those weeds, no problem, worked super quickly, super effectively, and I haven't seen anything growing back in those areas yet. With some of the larger plants, in the initial video, I did test it on some poison ivy. I actually ended up accidentally mowing over that when I mowed the lawn, so that one was kind of taken out of the equation, but I did try it on some other poison ivy that was a little bit larger, and it definitely damaged the leaves. I'm still kind of waiting to see what the long-term outcome is there, but I don't think it's going to be quite as effective there. So I did a pretty significant application, tried to get as much of the leaf surface area and really soak it on those. Like I said, you can see there's a brownish tinge on there, but I think we're going to need something a little bit stronger than just the basic, cheapest cleaning vinegar. I'm going to try a 30% vinegar next and see if that works. So in summary, I think this is a really good, cost-effective option that's going to be a lot healthier for you, for your family, for the environment than some of the traditional weed killers. So I think this is perfect for the small applications, cracks in sidewalks, patios, things like that, but maybe not as effective for clearing large areas with a lot of weeds and ivy. Those plants are a little bit more resilient. But I definitely plan to continue using this same exact formula here for our patio and for the cracks in our driveway, I think that's going to be a great solution that isn't going to cost much to make up every time we need to make it up. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. And if you did enjoy it, I would really appreciate if you hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel for other DIY and home improvement projects. Thanks for watching.